Xender just dropped a fresh update, and trust me, this one hits different. You're about to see something you didn't expect. The interface clean, the speed upgraded, and the new features, you will love them. Don't blink, cause I'm breaking it all down in seconds. Whether you are a loyal user or you haven't touched Xender in a while, this update is about to change your mind. Stay logged in. If you are new here, this is ARHINSCO SOLUTECH. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and then turn on the bell notification to join the tech family. Cause anytime that I upload new video, YouTube will notify you that ARHINSCO SOLUTECH has uploaded a new video. Let's dive right into the video. I'm signing out.
ARHINSCO SOLUTECH and Tech. ARHINSCO SOLUTECH and Tech. Empowering minds through technology.
Alright, before you get the new features that I'm about to show you, kindly make sure that you've updated your Xender to the latest one. It works both on iOS and then on Android. So let's open it. Now if you come down to my MP3 here, Xender will give you the opportunity to convert your video to audio. It was in existence ever since Xender was created, but now it has been modified in such a way that it works very fast compared to the olden days. If you want to convert your video to audio, you just have to click here and then it will take you to your phone's gallery. Let's say this is the video that I want to convert to what audio. Let me click here, wait patiently for it to load. Within some few seconds it will be done, and boom, it has finished converting this video to audio. So you can just click here and then listen to it, click on play, and then you are good to go. Another update that I would like to show you is come to social here. Now Xender will give you the chance to what, download any video from either Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and then what, WhatsApp. At first it was only TikTok and then WhatsApp status here, but now you can just download video from Facebook, TikTok, and then Instagram by just copying the video's link and then pasting it here to download. And then the most amazing part is it doesn't come with watermark. If you download video from TikTok here, it will never come with a watermark. The person who created the videos watermark will never be shown on it. Now let's go and then try that one too. So I'll just open my TikTok here. So let's say this is the video that you want to download without any watermark. Now if you click on the share button down here and then you click on save video, it will be saved to your gallery, but it will be saved with what, a watermark. Now if you come to Xender here and then click on TikTok, paste and then download button, wait for it to analyze the video link, and then it will be downloaded successfully to your gallery without a watermark. Right, so when it's finished analyzing the video, you won't get any notification here. So what you have to do is you just have to come back and then go and check your gallery whether the video has been downloaded or not. So let me go to my gallery here, and boom, you can see recent here. The video that I copied has been downloaded successfully here without any watermark. Let's go and see. Wow, this is amazing. You can see we have saved the video without any watermark. The last update that I would like to talk about is we live in a modern technological world, so no more send mommy. So let's say if you view somebody's status and then you want to get it, Charlie, that send mommy is no more in this technological world. So what you have to do is, with the help of Xender, if you view somebody's status like this, whether video or picture, just take a look at the video that I'm watching currently, and this is the picture that I just viewed. So let's say you want to have it, there is no need for you to ask the person to send it to you. Just come to Xender and then click on the status here, wait for it. Now if you haven't connect your WhatsApp to the Xender, you just have to click on connect here to connect, your WhatsApp to the Xender like this. Just click on it and then connect it. I have already connected my WhatsApp to my Xender, so there is no need for me to click on connect here. Have you seen all the status that you viewed is showing here? All the status that you viewed today will be showing here. So if you want to save it, just kindly click on the download button here, or if you want to save the video, just click on the download button here, and then it will be saved to your gallery. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, kindly give it a thumbs up and then share for others to enjoy. If today is your first time being on this channel, I'll be glad that you hit on the subscribe button and then turn on the bell notification so that each and every time that I release new video, YouTube will notify you. My name is ARHINSCO. I'm signing out.